Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into DJI's latest groundbreaking innovation in drone technology. The much-anticipated DJI Flip is here, and it promises to redefine how we think about compact drones. With its official unveiling scheduled for January 14, 2025, the Flip is set to elevate DJI's already stellar reputation for quality, performance, and innovative design. Let's look closer at what makes the DJI Flip a game-changer and why it might be your next must-have drone. A bold new design for maximum portability. The DJI Flip breaks away from the traditional aesthetics of DJI's mini-series with a striking new design. Its top-loading battery system, secured with dual-release buttons, ensures both convenience and safety. This feature makes battery swaps effortless, catering to drone enthusiasts who value efficiency. Additionally, the Flip's foldable arms and duct propellers add to its compact and portable nature, making it an ideal choice for urban explorers, travelers, and anyone operating in tight spaces. These design innovations prioritize ease of use, safety, and noise reduction, ensuring a seamless experience for beginners and seasoned pilots alike. Enhanced safety features. Safety has always been a priority for DJI, and the Flip raises the bar. Its fully enclosed propellers provide added protection, making it an excellent choice for first-time pilots or those flying in confined areas. Equipped with an advanced obstacle avoidance system, powered by a LiDAR sensor array, the Flip borrows technology from DJI's higher-end models, such as the Air 3S. This feature enhances flight safety, making it stand out from earlier models and competitors in the compact drone market. Stunning imaging capabilities. At the heart of the DJI Flip is a powerful 48MP camera with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor. This setup delivers breathtaking 4K HDR video at up to 100 frames per second, ensuring stunning visuals for every shot. The 82.1-degree field of view and 4x digital zoom offer versatility, enabling users to capture wide-angle landscapes and intricate close-ups with equal precision. Additionally, support for DNG RAW and JPEG formats makes the Flip a compelling choice for hobbyists and professionals alike, providing exceptional aerial photography and videography capabilities. Performance that exceeds expectations. The DJI Flip boasts impressive performance metrics, making it a robust tool for creators on the move. Its 3,100 mAh battery provides up to 31 minutes of flight time and 28 minutes of hover time, surpassing the Mini 4 Pro and Neo models. With a top speed of 16 meters per second, a range of 14 kilometers, and wind resistance of up to 10.7 meters per second, the Flip is engineered to handle challenging environments with ease. These specifications ensure reliability, even in adverse weather conditions, making it a versatile option for both casual users and professionals. Seamless connectivity and control. Connectivity is key to any drone's usability, and the DJI Flip doesn't disappoint. It features the O4 video transmission system, providing stable and long-distance connectivity for uninterrupted flights. With support for Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/AC and Bluetooth 5.0, data transfer is smooth and efficient. Storage options include a microSD card slot and 2 GB of internal storage, ensuring ample space for high-resolution footage. The Flip's controller options add to its flexibility. The standard package includes the RC-N3 controller, while the Fly More combo offers the upgraded RC2 controller and additional accessories. These options cater to casual pilots and advanced users, ensuring a tailored experience for everyone. A step ahead of the mini-series. The DJI Flip's release prompts questions about the future of DJI's mini-series. While the mini lineup has long been a cornerstone of DJI's offerings, the Flip's advanced features suggest a shift in focus. Innovations like LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance, fully enclosed propellers, and enhanced imaging capabilities position the Flip as a next-generation compact drone. As consumer expectations evolve, the Flip's design reflects DJI's commitment to staying ahead of industry trends and setting new benchmarks. Competitive pricing and value. The DJI Flip is priced competitively at $439, including the RC-N3 controller. This positions it as a mid-range option, appealing to users seeking a balance between affordability and cutting-edge features. The Fly More combo, priced slightly higher, adds value with additional batteries and an upgraded controller, making it an attractive choice for those looking to enhance their flying experience. Broader market impact. Beyond individual consumers, The DJI Flip's release marks a significant milestone in the drone industry. It aligns with DJI's strategy to innovate amidst growing competition and regulatory scrutiny. The Flip's cutting-edge features and thoughtful design exemplify DJI's ability to adapt to changing consumer demands while maintaining its position as an industry leader. A glimpse into the future of drones. The DJI Flip offers a glimpse into the future of compact drones. Its combination of extended flight time, advanced imaging capabilities, and innovative safety features sets a new standard for the category. Whether you're an aspiring aerial photographer or an experienced pilot, the Flip bridges the gap between entry-level and premium models, catering to diverse needs with ease. As we approach the Flip's January 2025 release, excitement is building for what promises to be a transformative addition to DJI's lineup. From cinematic visuals to extended flight sessions, the Flip is poised to deliver an unparalleled experience for drone enthusiasts of all levels. So, what are your thoughts on the DJI Flip? Do you prefer it over the Neo or Mini series? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for more in-depth content like this. And as always, thanks for watching.